Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the dimensions of business environment. In our earlier lecture we have discussed about the meaning of business environment, features of business environment and importance of business environment. In our next lecture we have discussed about a new economic policy. After that only dimensions is the topic which is left. Now we are starting with the dimensions of business environment. First of all, you must know the meaning of business environment. Business environment consists of external forces. External forces means those forces which are not in the control of business, means those forces which are coming from the outside of the business, which directly or indirectly affect the functioning of an enterprise. Means these external forces can influence directly or indirectly our business enterprise from outside. These external forces may be divided into two categories. First one is general environment and second one is specific environment. Let's discuss about general environment. General environment means those factors which are indirectly influencing the working of a business environment. Means it indirectly influences the working of a business firm. It includes economic, social, political, legal and technological environment. After that, on the other hand, second type is specific environment. Specific environment directly influences the working of a business. On the other hand, general environment influences indirectly the working of the business. It means main difference is those factors who are influencing or working of our business indirectly, those are general environmental factors or external forces which affect directly to the working of the business. Those forces are under specific environment. Specific environment includes customers, owners and investors, creditors, suppliers, employees of the organization, trade unions, competitors of the business and government in which the business is carried out. So we have discussed about external forces and types of external forces, general environment and specific environment. Our next topic is dimensions of business environment. There is a brief diagram of dimensions of business environment. It is very important topic of your syllabus. There are mainly 5 dimensions or 5 components of business environment are there. First one is economic environment, second one is social environment, third one is legal environment, fourth one is technological and last one is political environment. Let's briefly discuss about the economic environment. Economic environment is that type of environment which describes forces which have economic impact on business. Means those external forces which are result of those forces is that they economically influence or economically make impact on the working of the business organization. That is known as economic environment. After that, next is social environment. Social environment describes the features or characteristics of a society in which business firms operate. Means when business is carried on, that can't be carried on in isolation. It is in the society. So society or social environment is also there. Existence of features of society in which business firms operate. Means those features of that society in which business is carried on, business operates, that is known as social environment. Next one is legal environment. Under legal environment, it describes framework of laws, rules and regulations, legislations within which the business firm operate. Means business firm is operating in a country or in a state. Rules of that state or laws of that state, legislations of that state are under the legal environment. They are describing the framework of laws. Next one is technological environment. Technological environment describes broad features of technology in which business firms operate. Now we are discussing about the technology used for the product of where in which we are dealing. It means broad features of technology in which business firm operates. These all are coming under the category of technological environment. Next one is political environment. It is last type of dimensions of business environment. It describes political conditions and nature of government intervention in business. It means political conditions of that state in which business is carried on. And government intervention means nature of government intervention means attitude of the government towards a business. That is known as political environment. So all these are the 5 dimensions of business environment. Let's discuss one by one. First one is economic environment. Economic environment includes interest rate, inflation rate, changes in disposable income of people, stock market indices, indices means conditions, and value of rupee are some of economic factors that can affect the management practices in a business enterprise. It means all of above or some of economic environmental factors, these are given, they can affect the management practices of a business enterprise. So these factors or each of these factors, economic factors can serve either as an opportunity and as a threat to an enterprise. Means they are working as an opportunity to the business and as a threat. They are working as both, as an opportunity and as a threat. Now let's take an example for this statement. They are working as an opportunity and a threat. There is example of changes in disposable income of people. When there is a rise in disposable income of people due to increase in GDP of a country. What is the meaning of GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. When any company or in any country there is increase in GDP, after that, due to the influence of increase in GDP, disposable income will increase and it creates increasing demand for the products. It is an opportunity. And on the other hand, if GDP decreases, then disposable income will also decreases, then demand will also be less for the products. It means it is a threat. So after the meaning of economic environment, let's discuss about the factors of economic environment in India. We are discussing about the economic environment in India, so we are discussing about macro level factors. What are the macro level factors of any business which is operating in India under economic environment? First one is economic structure. Economic structure means which type of economy is there. There are mainly 3 types of economies: capitalism or socialism or mixed economy. But we are discussing about India, then India has mixed economy. Next one is economic planning. Under economic planning there are budgets may be there, 5-year plans of government may be there. After economic policy planning, next one is economic policy. Economic policies, mainly Indian government prepares industrial policies, monetary policies and fiscal policies. Next one is economic indices. Economic indices means economic conditions. Under economic indices, national income, distribution of income, rate and growth of GNP. GNP means gross national product. Per capita income, disposable personal income, rate of savings, investments, value of exports and imports, BOP, etc. All these are coming under the category of economic indices or economic conditions. Meaning of BOP is balance of payments. It is used in the import and export. Let's discuss next, that is social environment. What is the meaning of social environment? Social environment represents the customs and traditions, values or culture, social trends or beliefs, norms and ethics of a society. Means all these are under the social environment. Family structure is also coming under this category. What is the death rate, what is birth rate, all these are under the social environment. Let's discuss one by one. First one, traditions defines social practices that have lasted for decades or even centuries. Means those traditions or those practices which are performed by the people of society from the last decades or even the centuries, like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Gurpurab, etc. All these festivals also brings opportunity in the business. They provide significant financial opportunities for greeting card companies, sweet shops, gift shops, etc. Next one is value. Values refer to the concepts that a society holds, means those concepts which a society holds. Individual freedom is there, social justice is there, equality of opportunity is there. Like a business enterprise must give equal status and same wages to male and female workers working at the same level. We are discussing about the example of values. When our society has value, then a business enterprise, we are taking an example of a business enterprise in which equal status or equal wages are given to the all members, whether they are male or female, they are working at the same level. It means they have high values and they are coming under the social environment. Next one is social environment, social trends. Social trends present various opportunities and threats to business enterprise. For example, increased awareness towards health has increased the demand for organic food, mineral water, gym, etc. Components of social environment. Before discussing components of social environment, we are explaining the example. When people have increased awareness about the health, then demand will be increased for organic food and mineral water and gym, etc. Next one are components of social environment. There are factors of social environment or components of social environment. First one is attitude towards product innovations, lifestyles, occupational distribution and consumer preferences. Attitude means their thinking towards the product innovations. When there are new products, then lifestyle of people or occupational distribution of people in the society and consumer preferences, they also affect the social environment of a business. Next one is living standard of people, and next one is life expectancy. What is the life tenure of the people in the society? Birth rate and death rate also are the components of social environment. Next factor under the social environment is expectations from the workforce. Expectations by a business from their workforce is also a component of social environment. Next one, shifts in the presence of workmen in the workforce, education system and literacy rate. Education system is also coming under the category of components of social environment and literacy rate. According to literacy rate, our business environment can also affect under the category of components of social environment. Next one is consumption habits. Consumption habits of consumer also affects the business. Next one is composition of family. Composition of family means nuclear families are there or joint families are there in the society. According to that, the demand for the product will increase or decrease. If there are joint families in the structure of society, then there will be less demand for the products. If there are nuclear families, then there will be high demand for the same product. Now come to the next, that is legal environment. Legal environment is third type of dimension of business environment. It consists of legislations that have been passed by the parliament, court and state legislations. It means those rules or regulations which are made by parliament, court or state governments, rules or laws which have to be followed by all the organizations. These are the compulsory instructions which every organization must follow. They are known as rules. Some of the laws are, there are some types of laws are given. Some of the laws are Companies Act, Factories Act, Trade Unions Act, Consumer Protection Act. Consumer Protection Act is also known as CPA or COPRA. After that, there are various other types of laws are there. Number of laws that regulate matters such as standards of product, packing, promotion, ethics of organization, etc. It means these rules which are relating to the standards of the product, packing of the product or promotion of the product and ethical values of the organization, they are also coming in the category of legal environment. Let's take an example. For legal environment, there is an example of alcoholic beverages. They are prohibited to be advertised on television. So they must have an instruction or a tagline that it is injurious to health. Next one is technological environment. Technological environment includes change in technology is mostly associated with better service and cost efficiency. Under technological environment, we are discussing about the change in technology, change in techniques, change in the demand of the products, and every change which is coming with technology, that is including in technological environment. Change in technology is mostly associated with better service and cost efficiency. It is understood that if there is better service, then cost will be less and cost efficiency will be there. Creates new products and new production techniques. With the use of technological environment, new products can be created and new production techniques may be there. After that, continuous innovations in different scientific and engineering fields are there. Only innovations are the main thing which can change the technology and with which our business can affect. Let's take an example for the technological environment. Earlier we have booked our tickets while go to reservation office for the railway or air tickets, but now we can online book our tickets for rail or air tickets instead of going to reservation office. Next one are the components of technological environment. Components of technological environment, mainly there are 4 components. First component of technological environment is research and development activities. Research and development activities means those activities which are creating new ideas, new products or new technology for the benefit of society or for the benefit of business. Next one is innovations in products and processes. There is innovation in both types, products and in processes. After that, Third component of technological environment is import and export of technology. And the fourth one is new equipments are there. Now we are discussing about the last dimension or last component of business environment. This is political environment. Political environment, as the name suggests, we are discussing about the politics of the country in which our business is working or carried on. Political environment includes political conditions. Political conditions means such as general stability and peace in the country. Any investor who wants to invest his money in the business, that person wants surety for the safety of his investment, then that person must consider the general stability and peace of that country and specific attitudes that elected government representatives hold towards the business. Specific attitude means those persons who are ruling in the country, what is their attitude towards the business. So we have discussed about two main things in the first point of political environment: political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country, and specific attitudes that elected government representatives hold towards business. Means we are discussing about the peace and stability of the government of that country. After that, attitude of the elected government in the country. Next point is stable government builds up confidence. Means that government which is stable in the country and there is peaceful environment in the country, that may build up confidence among the investors or business people to invest their money in the long term projects of that country. And vice versa means if that government is not stable and that government can't build confidence among the business people, and that type of government will shake the confidence of people or business investors to invest their money in the long term projects. Next one is attitude of government officials towards business. Attitude of government officials means what is the thinking of that person who is in the ruling of that country. They may have either positive or negative impact upon business. Next, let's take an example. Change in government policies in 1991 allowed Pepsi and other MNCs to enter into Indian market. When there is change in the policy of India in 1991, before 1991, Indian economy was a closed economy. But after 1991, it becomes an open economy, due to which MNCs can enter in the Indian economy. After that, Pepsi and other MNCs enter into Indian market. This is the example of political environment. It means due to change in policies or due to change in the attitude of the government, these companies can be the part of Indian economy, or they can invest in the Indian economy, or they can deal in their products in Indian economy. After that, components of political environment. Under components, first component is constitution of that country. Constitution of that country is the main component under which rules and regulations are governing in the country. Prevailing political system is there. Which type of prevailing political system is going on? Third one is practices of ruling party. Which party or which person who is elected in the country, what are the practices he is using in his state. Next one is extent and nature of government intervention. Which type of nature government is taking into consideration their policies, or up to which extent they are using their policies for the benefit of business. Next one is nature of relations with foreign countries. Means when we are discussing about political environment, then relations of a domestic government with foreign countries governments, it will be a necessary point to be considered under the political environment. So nature of or attitude of relations or attitude of government with foreign countries, it must be taken into consideration. We have discussed about 5 points of components. Next point is nature of leadership and thinking of political personalities. Nature of political leadership is there. It means when we are using the term nature of leadership, means it is nature of political leadership. Persons who leaders who are in the ruling of the country, what is the nature of those political leaders and what is the thinking of political personalities about the business. It means these all are the factors or these all are the components which can affect the political environment. So we have done with our third chapter, that is business environment.